We will be doing a time limit on this game. If at the end of, let's say, 12 minutes, okay? At the end of 12 minutes, if not all balloons are popped, whichever team has popped the most balloons will win. Yes.
What are you thinking about auto?
Let's do semi-auto only for this game as well. I don't want to accidentally be popping balloons because there's just Stevie's everywhere. So semi-auto only. All right. If you guys would like to play with your friends, please gather in a group.
Where's Speed? There's Speed.
Make it clear that
the Navy will let you fly. Finger your hammer.
That would blow my stuff. Yeah, that would probably break your glasses from this range.
Oh no, it most definitely would. Sorry, no, I just pulled this.
Oh.
Is that Lee?
Yes, that's me.
No. Alright, Logan.
That way, Logan.
Yo,
Logan.
Drake.
No, that's the scary one.
Trey won the Renters strike.
Of course he did, because he's a gooner.
He took his mask off.
Oh, fucking idiot.
Like, if I'm adjusting my mask, it's literally...
How many?
Let's see how this goes.
Two. Let's have you get two go over there. That's 21. How many are here?
5.
Let's go over there.
Yeah. Okay. And we don't have to change colors. All right. I'm gonna take a shot at Red's triangle. Let's see.
Be afraid of that. That shoots 410.
I am so glad you're on the team. I am.
It shoots 410.
Dude, lever action? That's it. Let's not shoot connexes that might have balloons in them. I'm not shooting for any of the back connexes. Thank you.
Is that a lightsaber?
Yes, it's the same one Alex held.
Yeah, I have that one too.
Ironically, this is really Western.
Love the light on the bottom.
No. All right. All blue team. What color should your fans be?
Blue.
Look at your friend. Make sure they have blue on.
You have blue.
I have
Great.
blue.
What color?
You are red, you commie.
Yep, that's laser accurate.
Yeah, no, that's like what's scary.
The only thing I would change is maybe replacing the inner barrel.
The only thing I need to do 2 things to this: a better motor.
Let me actually go up 1 click. There we go.
Oh, grenade. No, one thing I want to do to this is put a
Ooh,
better.
I want to see if I can hit Saloon from here.
Hold up, saloon round incoming.
Yes. I can hit Saloon from here. I love my HPA lever action.
Oh, that's scary.
I'll aim for rig, I'll aim for head. If they don't respond after those 2, it's getting a .4 straight to the dick. If you don't respond to my 2 hits,
Dude, I didn't see how big of the mag you had.
I know. No, it's even better than the other mag I have. I have 4 6s loaded in there if I want to use those. I love that my lever action has a forward assist.
You have a rubber chicken.
One that's in that car?
No, what? That's like so good.
Right there.
Dude, they're Chinese throwing chickens.
Dude,
You want me to whip it out, man?
Whip it out.
Yeah.
Whip your Glocks out. I got him! No, that's our side. Dre, those are our guys.
Got that one.
Oh, I'm Matt. That's why I'm not shooting. Should I load up the 4 6s?
I'm running 4 3s.
Oh, Jesus. Speed, do something. What?
Blue team 1? Cool.
Oh, cool. Blue team 1. Damn!
Hit him!
I heard that thud against any hope he had of having children. Mud. Yeah. You two ready?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Hey. Yes. Damn, you got a big ass forehead.
Shut up.
No, dude, it's the warp perspective.
So guys, this will be full contact. Alright guys, here's gonna be the rules for this game. This will be the pair of you will get $10 gift certificate. $10 gift certificate and an Enola Gay smoke grenade in the front shop, okay? It's for each of you, okay? Alright.
You two better win.
Kind of split the difference. Alright, cool. Alright, do we have any questions? No, sir. Alright, hold on 1 second. I'm going to grab a couple pictures. That's good. Are we ready? Yes, sir. Game starts in 3, 2, 1. Who's like a race?
We didn't try and tell you that.
You suck. You suck.
I just started recording.